It went horribly wrong. Let me set the stage for you. I'm visiting New York City by myself, and this was my first time ever coming here. So I decide to spend the day exploring until around 1 a.m. when I become super tired. So I walk into the subway station because I'm about 6 miles away from my hotel, so I was just gonna take the subway all the way back. But then I see a sign which says the train I needed to take wasn't gonna be working for the next hour. So I'm thinking, well, I don't wanna wait a full hour for the train. I could walk all the way back to my hotel by then. So I decide to book an Uber, but because it was so late, there wasn't any available near me for about 10 minutes. But then finally, I got one. At this point, I'm super exhausted from how long my day was that I'm barely able to stay awake. So then a car that looks like the exact description of my Uber arrives to the pickup spot, and I'm just assuming that it's mine because there were no other cars in the area. But right as I opened the door to get into the car, there was already something off about it because inside the Uber app, it said the driver's name was Glenny. So when I opened the door, before sitting down, just to confirm that I'm in the right car, I say, "Hi, are you Glenny?" But instead of saying yes or no,